The Meraki Dashboard is a cloud-based service providing unified management for all your Meraki devices. It is constantly monitoring, optimizing, and reporting everything that goes on in your network. When this video is done, you will have a better understanding on the value and importance of the Meraki Dashboard. When we hover over the Network-Wide button on the left, the Monitor section gives you the ability to monitor your network's connected devices, while the Configure section allows you to configure certain settings specific to each Meraki network in your organization. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Traffic Analytics page. This page details all of the detected applications for a given time frame. This time frame can be selected, and the options for hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly are available. The top section displays the number of endpoints connected to the network during the time frame you selected, while the second section displays the bandwidth usage of those devices. The bottom section displays all of the web-based applications used by devices on your network. Hundreds of applications are automatically identified and reported, from business apps to BitTorrent and YouTube. At the bottom right, you can click this button to download the data as a CSV file.